Starting a website or blog and monetizing it through advertising, sponsored content, or affiliate marketing. Building a website or blog and growing an audience can be a great way to make money online. One way to monetize your website or blog is by selling advertising space to companies or by joining an advertising network. Another way is to work with brands and businesses as an affiliate marketer, earning a commission on sales or leads generated through your unique affiliate link. You can also make money by sponsored content or sponsored post in your website or blog. Selling products or services through an e-commerce platform or your own website. E-commerce platforms like Amazon, Etsy, and Shopify make it easy for anyone to set up an online store and sell products. These platforms handle payment processing, shipping and handling, and other aspects of the sales process, so you can focus on sourcing and promoting your products. You can also sell your own services, such as graphic design, copywriting, or programming, through your website. Creating and selling online courses or ebooks. Creating an online course or an ebook can be a great way to share your knowledge and expertise while also making money. Platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, and Coursera make it easy to create and sell online courses, while Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing allows you to self-publish ebooks. Building and scaling an online business through dropshipping or other e-commerce models. Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method in which the store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when a store sells a product, it purchases the item from a third party and has it shipped directly to the customer. This can be a great way to start an online business without having to invest a lot of money up front. Participating in affiliate marketing programs. Affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing where you, as the affiliate, promote someone else's product or service, and receive a commission for any sales made through your unique affiliate link. Amazon has an affiliate program, as do many other businesses, and you can find a variety of affiliate networks that connect businesses with affiliate marketers. Offering consulting or coaching services. If you have a particular area of expertise, you may be able to provide consulting or coaching services to individuals or businesses online. This can be done through video conferencing, email, or phone. You can promote your services through your own website or through online marketplaces like Upwork or Coach.me. Trading cryptocurrencies. Trading cryptocurrencies can be a way of making money online, and you can buy and sell various digital assets online on popular platforms such as Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, etc. It requires knowledge of how cryptocurrency market works and also how to analyze them to make a good decision. It's a high-risk, high-return investment. Investing in stocks or real estate through online platforms. There are many online platforms that allow individuals to invest in stocks, mutual funds, and other securities, as well as real estate investment trusts, REITs. Some popular options include eToro, Robinhood, and Fundrise. It's important to note that investing always comes with some level of risk, so it's essential to research any investment opportunities and diversify your portfolio. Providing freelance services such as writing, editing, or web design. If you have a specific set of skills, you may be able to make money by providing freelance services online. Platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr connect freelancers with clients who need their services. You can also promote your services through your own website or